What's good, y'all? It's your girl. What? It's your girl, Kristen Michelle, and I'm here with another video. Today, I'm finally doing it. Yes, y'all. Today is the day that I'm going to do a drive with me / clean my car type shit. Because I'm going to go get a detail. Like, I can't really drive with y'all because, like, I can't really drive with y'all because if you live in Michigan, you know that the city is back shut down. I say city. It's back shut down here, so it's like nowhere I can go, and I'm not gonna drive my grass out just because y'all want me to drive. So I'm gonna just take y'all with me to go get a detail, because the place to go get a detail to that, I think it's open. I hope it's open. Y'all know it's about to start snowing soon. It's already getting cold, so it's about to start snowing, and I don't drive this car in the snow. I don't think you're supposed to. People do, because that's their only car, but it's not over here, so I'm just getting ready to put it up. Is that better? Y'all can see me better. I didn't even notice that was open. But yeah, we're gonna clean it up because it's a fucking mess in here. Courtesy of my dad. You messed up the car. Why is it ashes in the cup holder? It's dirty. It's dusty. I saw this paper towel and this clothes back here. We're gonna clean it up, y'all. We're about to start cleaning it up. Let's go. We're about to clean it. What the hell? About to clean it up. Ah, shit. I got my coat and stuff over there. Like I was telling y'all about the cup holder, the ashes in the cup holder. It looks crazy in here. This not me, y'all. This is not me. I'm cleaning it out. Paper towels in the back. Over here. There's stuff over there too. Why? Who the heck? You know what? I don't even care.
What a wonderful world. 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 And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
come back when I'm ready, when I'm about to leave and go to the Alright, y'all, so I'm driving to the detailing shop right now. I'm following my dad because he is going to, we just go drop it off and go back home because you can't sit nowhere right now because of COVID. So, yeah, you're just gonna ride with me to the thing, and I'm gonna have to mute this because I'm about to play some music, so yeah. Alright, before we go on, can we just take a quick minute to appreciate the way this engine sounds?
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
God damn, this boy slapping. Alright, so right here, I know y'all probably like, girl, what the hell are you saying? I didn't know I was covering the speaker, but I was basically saying I couldn't get it done because we had to set an appointment and I didn't have one and you couldn't stand there, so I didn't get the detailing. So I'm gonna just try to detail it myself and I'm gonna just take y'all along with me. So for the girls out there, if you can't get a detail, especially with the prices they asking now, they want $300 for a detail. What? I can do that myself. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me, showing y'all how, well, we gonna learn together how to detail the car. So yeah, I'll come in later and we're gonna detail the car. Alright, I knew this would happen, but I forgot to tell y'all I was spraying the seats with something called turtle wax or something like that. I'll show it in the video to show y'all what it is and what it looks like. I'm just basically spraying this on the seats, letting it sit for a minute, and then scrubbing it with a brush that came with it. I just forgot to tell y'all because I'm just that slow, but yeah, let's get back to the video. Okay, y'all. So I'm scrubbing these seats, and because that's what I was gonna do myself. I'm gonna scrub these seats first, and it's already vacuumed out. They vacuumed it out of the car wash, so I'm just cleaning the seats, cleaning the paint and stuff. Yeah.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Alright, y'all, so my camera died and I already finished the back seats, so I'm gonna start on these front seats, scrubbing them and getting the stuff out. Also, it's stuff on the floor over here that I'm gonna get out. I don't know if y'all can see that because I'm on the front camera, and I'm gonna get that out and come back when I'm done. By the way, I'm cleaning out the floor and stuff and the seats with something called turtle wax. Y'all could probably find this at your local car store. I don't know. It was already at my house though.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
The difference in the shine from over here to over here. Look how disty. I hope y'all can see the difference like I see the difference. But yeah, we're gonna make it shiny like over there, everywhere else. Let's go. I'm using windshield fluid wiper, whatever it's called, windshield fluid acid aid, whatever it's called, to clean my windows off because I just took them to car wash. They got clean, but I just messed them back up with the Armor All, so we're gonna wipe it down again. I know y'all probably gonna ask, so what I'm using on the door is something called Armor All. Alright, y'all, I'm about to do this to the other side of the door. The other side of the car. And I'll be back to show y'all how I do the front. Okay, just in case y'all wanted to know, I also use the Armor All on the dashboard and the steering wheel also.
What a wonderful world.
Alright, y'all, so I'm finally done with the car. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get a notification every time I post. Watch all my other videos. I just came out with a new series on my channel called the Beauty Overload Journals, where I will be recreating some of my favorite looks from celebrities. So make sure y'all go watch that. Tune into that, turn that the fuck up. Follow me on all my social media in the description box down below. All my social media will be up here too, probably. I also had another question. I can't remember at the moment, but yeah, this is just a video of me detailing the car. Well, trying to detail the car as best as I could for all the girls out there and stuff like that who don't know how to detail, who can't find a place to detail, or who think detailing is too much. You can get those 3 products for way under $200. Y'all, my edges look through. I'm tired, but yeah. I'm about to show y'all how this car look. Now, y'all remember how it looked before? That was the beginning. This is what it looks like now. Hold up, wait a minute, pause. If y'all know where I can get a steering wheel cover for this car anywhere, let me know in the comments down below.